How to keep garlic fresh. No mold, no sprouting, no spoilage. Hello! Welcome to the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever bought fresh garlic only to find it sprouted, dried out, or even moldy a few days later? It must be a waste, right? Garlic is not only a familiar spice that makes dishes more delicious and flavorful, but also has the ability to mask the fishy smell of meat and fish, enhancing the natural flavor of stir-fried, grilled, braised, or soup dishes. Today, I will share extremely easy tips to keep garlic fresh, fragrant, and firm, like the day you bought it, and can be preserved for up to 1 year. The best thing, no fancy tools or hard-to-find ingredients are needed. Anyone can do it right at home. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Preserving garlic with baking soda. If you want to keep garlic fresh for a long time without refrigeration, the baking soda trick is a very worthwhile option. Baking soda has the ability to absorb moisture slightly, is a natural antibacterial agent, helping garlic dry, not moldy, especially in the wet season or in humid climates. Prepare dry garlic. Choose firm bulbs, tight skin, not crushed. Remove the dry, peeling outer skin. Do not wash with water. Make sure the garlic is completely dry before storing. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda at the bottom of the jar. You can add a few grains of salt to increase the antibacterial effect. Arrange a layer of garlic on top, then sprinkle a little baking soda. Continue alternating like this until the jar is full. Close the lid tightly. Keep the jar in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. After 1 to 2 months, you can replace the baking soda layer to maintain the best moisture absorption. Note: if the weather is humid, open the jar lid for 1 to 2 hours every month to let the garlic breathe and keep it naturally dry. Absolutely do not store wet garlic because humidity will make the baking soda lose its effect. I find this method the simplest, most natural, and cleanest of all dry storage tips. After a few months, the garlic is still white, fragrant, does not sprout, or have a black skin. What I like is that you do not need a refrigerator. Just a sealed jar and a little baking soda is enough. The small downside is that the garlic may be a bit drier after 3 to 4 months, but the flavor when cooked remains intact. This is a great tip for anyone who wants to store garlic for a long time while still being clean and safe. Method 2. Preserving garlic with sand. Did you know garlic can also hibernate in sand just like ginger, potatoes, or carrots? I used to think that garlic would only dry out or sprout if left for a long time. But unexpectedly, with just a little dry sand, you can completely keep garlic dry and fragrant, without mold or sprouting for many months. The method is incredibly simple. First, keep the garlic skin intact. Just wipe off the dust. Don't wash it with water. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Then prepare a cardboard box, plastic box, foam box, or a ceramic jar with a lid. Spread a layer of clean, dry sand on the bottom. Place the garlic on top. Continue to cover with a layer of sand, a layer of garlic alternating until full. The last layer must be sand that covers all the garlic. Cover the lid. Put it in a dry, airy place. No need for a refrigerator, no need for high technology. Just like that, garlic will last for 3 to 6 months without wilting, molding, or sprouting. A very simple tip, but once you know it, you'll want to use it right away. Method 3. Store garlic in the freezer. Peel off the skin and remove any dry or crushed roots. Puree the garlic with a blender or by hand until it reaches the desired smoothness. If you want to preserve it for a longer time, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or olive oil into the ground garlic. Oil helps prevent the garlic from being exposed to air, limits oxidation, and retains its characteristic aroma. Scoop the ground garlic into an ice tray, a small tray. Each compartment is about 1 teaspoon. Place the tray in the freezer and freeze for 3 to 4 hours. After freezing, take out the garlic cubes and put them in a zip bag or airtight container for later use. When needed, just take 1 cube and put it directly into the pan without defrosting. Freezer storage time, 3 to 4 months. This is the best method for frequent cooks. It is super convenient, clean, and saves time. Especially when cooking stir-fries, deep-fried dishes, and stews. Pre-minced garlic makes meals quick and easy while still being as delicious as fresh garlic. Method 4. Preserve garlic with salt. If you buy a lot of garlic and want to use it gradually for a few months, you can use coarse salt as a natural desiccant to preserve garlic very effectively. First, wipe clean with garlic. Next, choose dry garlic bulbs that are not crushed or cracked. Then place them in a small box. You can add a layer of newspaper to keep them dry and airy. Next, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of coarse salt in a thin cloth or thick paper towel, wrap it like a small bag, and tie the mouth tightly. Place this bag of salt in the box next to the garlic bulbs. The salt will help absorb excess moisture in the air, keeping the garlic dry and preventing sprouting. Finally, just cover the lid and leave the garlic box in a cool, airy place, away from direct sunlight. This method does not cause the garlic to be salted, does not affect the taste when used, but keeps the dry aroma for a long time. Usually 3 to 6 months, the garlic is still as intact as when first bought. Method 5. Preserve garlic with charcoal. A great tip to prevent garlic from getting moldy or sprouting is to use charcoal, something that seems to be just for burning but has the ability to absorb moisture very well. You just need to prepare some dry charcoal. Put it in a thin layer of cloth, or take advantage of a medical mask with the top cut off to create a gap. Then wrap the charcoal and tie the mouth tightly. You can use the strap of the mask to tie it tightly. Then, place this charcoal package in the garlic bag. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. And finally, place the garlic in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. The charcoal will help absorb the surrounding moisture, creating a dry, airy environment for the garlic to stay dry, fragrant, and dormant for a long time without sprouting. A simple but especially effective tip, especially when you often buy a lot of garlic to stock up on for daily stir-fried and fried dishes. Method 6. Wrap in paper towels. If you regularly use fresh garlic in your daily meals, try applying the following simple but extremely effective tip. Keep the whole garlic bulb. Just use a dry towel to wipe off the dirt on the outside. Do not wash with water to avoid making the garlic moist. Then, wrap each bulb with a clean paper towel. This layer of paper towel will absorb excess moisture, preventing the garlic from getting moldy or sprouting. Next, put the wrapped garlic bulbs in a zip-top bag or container. Finally, place them in the refrigerator. This way, the garlic will always be fresh, fragrant, and retain its quality for 2 to 3 months without any further processing. This method is perfect for those who cook every day and want to always have fresh garlic available in the kitchen. Method 7. Soak garlic in olive oil. Did you know that with just a little olive oil, you can preserve fresh garlic for up to 2 months? And also create an extremely fragrant garlic oil for stir-fries, fried dishes, or salad dressings? The method is extremely simple. First, peel each clove of garlic. Dry garlic will help limit mold during the pickling process. Arrange the garlic in a clean glass jar and slowly pour in olive oil until the garlic is completely submerged in the oil. Cover the lid and store in the refrigerator. After just 2 to 3 days, the oil will start to smell like garlic. You can now use it to fry eggs, stir-fry vegetables, marinate meat, or simply drizzle it on salads. It smells amazing! Tip: every time you take out the oil or garlic, remember to use a clean, dry spoon to keep the oil jar in the best condition. So with just a few easy steps, you have fresh garlic to use gradually and fragrant garlic oil to cook. So convenient, right? Of the 5 methods I just shared, which one do you find easiest to apply? Leave your comments in the comment section. I'd love to know which method you choose. If you find this tip useful, don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Sometimes just a small share can help many people in their daily lives. And remember to click the subscribe button to support great tips, so that I have more motivation to share more great tips in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video with many simple but extremely useful tips.